Hi everyone, this is Joseph from Forbes Tech Reviews, aka your favorite Cajun tech review, back with another video today. Today's video, I'm going to try to answer the question that I have been getting a lot. Can you use this phone in the USA and get good speeds? When the Poco phone F1 came out, I think a year and a half ago, almost 2 years ago, the Poco phone in the US, it was really slow. A lot of people was complaining about it, and that was one of the biggest reasons why I never picked up the phone. On this phone here, I am getting good speeds, as you can see in the unboxing, but I'm going to show you the speeds I've been getting, using the speed test app. Also, if you have AT&T, it has some of the bands for AT&T, Cricket, T-Mobile, Metro by T-Mobile. So if you have those four carriers, it should work great. Right now, I'm going to put up a picture with all the bands for all the different carriers in the USA, and you can see which bands that you have, and if you know which bands you need the most, you can see it here. Now, does this phone have all the bands in the USA? No. Doesn't have like band 12 or even that new one from T-Mobile like 66. And no, you will not get 5G in the US using this phone, but you get great speeds. I've been getting really good speeds. I'm happy with it. I'm going to link a website also in the description. Shout out to Gigi for actually sending this to me. Gadget Goddess, you know who she is. She's on everybody's stream, and she knows all her imports. She's one of the people that imports more phones than anybody. There's a website she uses that will show you, all the bands and for different phones. But there's also an app that will let you know what band you're using and how good the signal strength is. And that one is right here, Lte Discovery. I don't know if y'all ever used it before. I just found it the other day, and it actually works out pretty good. So let me take off the Wi-Fi. And then if I bring up Lte Discovery, and if I go to Discover, it will tell me I'm currently on LTE network. Also, if I go to Signal, it tells me I'm on band 4, and the signal is great. As you can tell, it's right there. Band 4 is 4 bars, and you can see in the top too, I'm getting LTE. Like I said, I won't get 5G. I'm not mad about that, because if you go into the speed test, and we can do it live here again. I know I did it in the last video. Let's see. I'm going to hit go. Let's see what speeds I get in my room. Now, that is pretty decent. I mean, it's not the greatest speeds. I'm not going to say I'm going to jump up and down, but I think you can live with those speeds. And I'm going to show you in a minute all the different speeds I've been getting around San Antonio. Yes, I've been driving around and doing speed tests. So, if you go into results, there are all my speed tests. Now, that 4.63, I was inside my job, inside the middle of the building, and I knew I wasn't going to get great speeds. I don't get great speeds with my other phones that have all the bands. So that was inside work. The other one, the 18, is at the park and wasn't the greatest, but I mean, those speeds are pretty good. At least to me. The one for 69 was downstairs in my house. 19 again. 13 was at the park again. The 8 was also, I think, at work one day inside the building. A couple other spots around San Antonio. So yes, can you use this phone in the US and to get LTE bands? Yes, you can. So I hope this video will help you out if you are looking to pick up this phone in the US. Don't forget you can get the phone from GearBest. They also have some sellers on eBay that are selling this phone also. It's really been a great phone, but I just wanted to make this quick video and show you that you can get LTE speeds on the Poco F2 Pro in the USA. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe to the channel, hit that notification bell so that way you know when the next time I drop a video on the Poco F2 Pro. Make sure you follow me on Twitter at Ford's Reviews. Become part of the BAM Nation. Like I said, we're growing every day. And until next time, peace. I'm out of here. Y'all have a great day.